SoFi Showdown, can it actually replace Venmo? Ever split a dinner bill with friends and spend the next week dodging those awkward "Hey, can you send me your Venmo" texts? Or maybe you're tired of the Venmo fees eating into your movie night budget. Financial tech companies like SoFi are popping up everywhere, promising all-in-one solutions for your money needs. But can SoFi truly dethrone the reigning champ of peer-to-peer payments, Venmo? Let's dive in and see if SoFi packs the punch to become your new money-splitting bestie. The Venmo VIP, social features and speed. Let's face it, Venmo isn't just about sending money. It's become a social hub for young adults, with its emoji-filled transactions and public feeds. Sharing your morning coffee run with a funny caption or roasting your friend for forgetting their share adds a layer of fun to the money exchange. Plus, transfers between Venmo accounts are instant, making it perfect for those "oh shoot, I forgot my wallet" moments. SoFi's money moves, no fee P2P and banking integration. SoFi might not have the social flair, but it fights back with a killer combo: free peer-to-peer transfers and integration with its banking features. That's right, sending money to anyone with a US bank account using SoFi is completely free, unlike Venmo's charges for instant transfers using a credit card. SoFi also lets you keep your splitting drama private, no public feed here. And if you're already a SoFi user, the money transfers seamlessly between your SoFi accounts and your linked bank account. It's all in one convenient app, making it easy to manage your budget and avoid those scrambling moments before a rent payment. Beyond the basics, investment options and interest rates. SoFi goes beyond just sending money. It offers investment options, allowing you to grow your wealth while you split bills. This feature is missing from Venmo entirely. SoFi also boasts competitive interest rates on its checking and savings accounts, potentially giving you a little extra cash back on your everyday transactions. The deciding factor, your money management style. So, which app wins the crown? It really depends on your priorities. For the social butterfly who prioritizes speed and a touch of fun, Venmo might still be your go-to. But if you're fee-conscious and want a more integrated financial experience, SoFi offers a compelling alternative. SoFi lets you manage your daily finances, grow your money, and split bills, all without breaking the bank, literally. Is SoFi a perfect Venmo replacement? Not quite. While SoFi shines in its fee-free transfers and integration, it currently lacks the social aspect and instant transfer options, unless you use your SoFi cash balance, that make Venmo so popular. The future of financial friends, coexistence or competition. The good news? You don't have to choose. Both platforms can coexist in your financial app arsenal. Use Venmo for those quick splits with friends where speed and social fun are key. Then, utilize SoFi for planned expenses and to manage your overall financial health. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.